What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here, how you guys doing? Hope you guys enjoy the snow, as I did, but unfortunately I didn't record me going out on the snow and doing stupid things on Rex. I was thinking about it, but unfortunately I said to myself, nah, I'll do it next time. I'll do it next time, next year, if it snows. I'd like to apologise that I'm not uploading much videos, and the reason why I think I already said before on some few videos, and I guess I have to say it again because it's like you have to repeat yourself to know the reason why you're not uploading. Is because I have to be careful how much petrol I use, because I don't get money coming in, and also I don't have a job, so I have to be very careful on how much petrol I use. But unfortunately, someone is different. Why I'm on the bike now is that I'm on my way to do an assessment for a job that I'm going for, so I'm heading there right now. Yeah, so I'm heading to a place. I'm not going to tell you the name of the place because I don't want any subscribers or anyone actually go there if I do get the job. So I know it's an ideal job, and also it does pay well, and I'm so thankful that I got a reply back. I mean, some jobs now they don't even freaking reply back. They don't bother replying back. But I was like, what? You reply back? Oh my god, you reply back? Yeah, I'm just freaking shocked that the people contacted me and says, yeah, do you want to come in and do the assessment, even though I've been waiting freaking ages. Because when I was doing when I went to the job fair, I applied for the job, and the guy says, yeah, it will be on the website and that, and I didn't see the information on there, so I was kind of panicking and going, oh fuck. So yeah, I was panicking and I didn't see the job title and that. And I've been searching for hours, and the job description just was not there. And when I saw him again in this job fair this year, he saw me, recognised me, and we was talking for hours and that, and he told me where to go to look for the job. And I went, okay, I'll do that when I get straight home. And thank goodness, I am just so freaking happy that I got to respond, because jobs now these days, they don't respond back. But lucky that I met this guy again, because the guy is sound. So yeah, I'm doing assessment, and then on Thursday I got an interview. So that's freaking awesome that I got an interview. on Thursday. I think what time was the interview? I think it was like 5:30 p.m. When I saw the time, I went PM. I'm like thinking to myself, freaking hell, I don't even have to rush to get out of the house or wake up early. I like these people. I really do like these people. Freaking hell. Shit. Bumps. Well, I can say that I'm done with the assessment. Now all I've got to do is wait on Thursday and see if how I do with the interview, and hope the interview will go well. I hope the only thing I need to do is just focus on the interview right now. I mean, I got the interview skills sliders nailed down. I think I might as well just improve my interview skills. I hope I do get this job. I hope I do. Fingers crossed I do. Because that means I'll be doing more videos on my bike. And also proving myself, and then also proving my YouTube channel, and also go to motorcycle meets as well. Oh Rex, it's been a long time since I've been out on you. You don't know how long I've never been riding Rex. Some of the footage that you guys see, right, my old footage, that's my old ones, that's all my old videos. I didn't know I had any footage left, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to edit every single one. So luckily that I had some old footage and edit them. So I think right now this video is in March. March the, was it the 6th? Yeah, it's March the 6th. And some of the footage that you guys actually seen was somewhere in January or February, before the snow actually hit Doncaster. Could this be it? Could this be it? Could Black Dragonrider have a job in the next couple of weeks? I think so. I think Black Dragonrider will have a job, working, earning money once again. Oh, why money has to be so important? Why can we never trade? I think some men and some women will be happy to freaking trade. I think life will be put a bit easy. I think some women will be glad to trade their husband. Or husband trading their wives. Or farmers trading their goats and pigs and chickens. Oh no, I'm freaking talking rubbish. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I want to say thank you to subscribers that stayed with me on my YouTube channel. I'm really thankful. I'm just having a hard time at the moment. So guys, thank you again. Love you all, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye bye.